Do you recall how nice and easy it is to set snaps and rivets with the Craftool Hand Press? Well, now you can punch holes in leather just as easy with the press die hole punch system. The set includes an anvil that fits in the bottom of the hand press and a holder for any one of the mini punch tubes. Simply screw the selected size of punch tube into the holder. Place the anvil into the base of the hand press. Tighten the screw. Put the punch holder with the punch tube in it above. Tighten the set screw. And you're ready to punch. Punching is the snap. Simply position the material where you want it and push down on the handle until it snaps into place and punches the hole.